From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon, State College. This is student meteorologist Erik Handel from the Campus Weather Service bringing you this midday outlook. Starting off with Beaver Stadium overlooking, we have overcast skies with fairly moderate conditions at the moment. Temperature as a high of 45. Moreover, we can see the feels like temperature is 41 with a dew point of 19 degrees. Fairly dry for this day so far. North to northwest winds at 6 miles an hour. As we look over the Commonwealth right now, we can see pretty stable conditions, pretty stable temperatures as for Harrisburg as a high of 52. Du Bois 46, Williamsport 49, so it's quite warmer up north in elevations. As we look moreover, 39 for Erie and much more warmer mid-50s for Philadelphia at the moment. Starting off with the temperature change, so it's quite a drastic temperature change. We can see temperature change of 20 degrees over at State College, 21 in Scranton and Northeast PA, so it's much temperature contrast compared to the past couple days. Overseeing much of the eastern seaboard into the Midwest, we can see plus 11 over Omaha, so the Midwest we're having temperature increase. However, look at Virginia over there in Raleigh, 22 degrees, so it's quite different compared to the past beautiful couple of days. Now look at the dew point change over here. 36-degree dew point change, 40 degrees over Williamsport. So at the moment, it's pretty much dry at the moment, much more less humid. Overlooking at the radar satellite, we can see some scattered clouds as we go over at 11:30, maybe some scattered showers over at Harrisburg and southeast Philadelphia. As we look over the radar, we see some scattered showers, snow showers over at the Midwest, upper Midwest, some little rough weather over at the Northwest. We can see this much jet stream bringing all this moisture. Maybe over in the higher elevations along the Appalachians, we can see quite some mountain-induced snowfall. Looking over at the future weather over here, we can see partly cloudy skies scattered. Still overcast at the moment. Right now it's 50 as we go into the afternoon. As we look forward into the evening, temperatures are going to drop over at 41 degrees, maybe some scattered overcast skies over at the southeast portion of the Commonwealth. As we progress further in, temperatures are going to dip below freezing for much of the northeast PA and also in the western portions of Pennsylvania. As we look further, clouds are going to start to build up as we go into Easter weekend. We can see some scattered clouds over in the northern elevations of the Commonwealth, and we can see some overcast skies over down in the southeast corridor of our region. Looking at the 6 to 10 day temperature outlook, we can see much above average for much of the eastern seaboard, extending over to the Midwest, and we can see below average temperatures for northwestern portions of the U.S. Now, looking at the 6 to 10 day precipitation outlook, we can see, compared to that, we can see a drier contrast over below average precipitation over the eastern seaboard yet again, and a little moister conditions over in the Midwest. Now, looking at today, we're going to see a high of 53, mostly cloudy skies, winds to the northwest of 5 to 10 miles per hour, so really cold compared to the past couple of days of those beautiful temperatures we're overseeing. Now, looking at tonight, like I said before, temperatures are going to dip below freezing, high of low of 29, partly cloudy. We're going to see some blustery winds. Other than that, I mean, tomorrow we're overlooking, yet again, stable conditions, high of 54, mix of sun and clouds, and like I said, calm winds. Maybe you see a little crisp winds speeds. Other than that, looking over Easter Sunday, the moment you've been waiting for, high of 58 yet again, so much more stable conditions. Much more seasonal for this time of year. So let's look at the 7-day forecast. As we can see, 54, so much more seasonal temperatures extending over at Sunday. Monday, we're going to see a much more warming trend as that warm pressure moves up. And look at Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, much more unseasonably temperatures. And it's going to be a beautiful weekday to start the day off. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Erik Handel. Have a great rest of your weekend.